Hello, welcome to Daisyyumland. Today I'm here with this cool vending machine and I've hidden some of our toys inside, so let's see what we've got. We've also got some cool friends here watching with us. So I have a tub of coins. Let's put them down and let's put some money in and see what we can get. Okay, so we want these tubs. They are 2 coins. And can we have a tub, please? And there it comes. Okay, let's see what we have in this lime green tub. It's Gaston. We all know that that is from Ben and Holly. Shh, shh, shh. There we go. Cool. Gaston, you can go and stand beside King Thistle over there. Okay. Let's put that there. Next. Here we go. 2 coins. Choose a tub. See, it's lit up. Tick. There we go. This yellow tub is inside. It's another Ben and Holly character. This is Daisy, one of the little twins. A cute little wand. She is Mischief. Oh, I don't know why the machine's buzzing, but it's just a bit grouchy today. Okay, you can go and stand with Ben over there. Okay, next up. Choose the tub. Big tick. We have a red tub. Sounds big. Let's look inside. It is Peppa. Peppa Pig holding out her arms for a cuddle. Let's put her with Daddy Pig over there. That's a red tub. Okay, last tub. Let's see what colour it's going to be. Tub button, big tick. It is purple. And we have Peekaboo in there from the Twirlywoos. What a surprise. That was in the purple tub. Peekaboo can stand with Gidget. And that was the purple tub. And that was our vending machine surprises. Thanks for watching Daisyyumland. We will see you soon.